Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll show you what to do when iPhone hotspot isn't showing up on Mac. You want to share the internet connection from iPhone to a Mac via Personal Hotspot feature when going out or traveling. You click the Wi-Fi icon on Mac but the hotspot doesn't show up there. Frustrating, right? Especially since you're able to access iPhone's Personal Hotspot on an iPad or other devices. Before you can assume the worst, know that hotspot not visible on Mac doesn't always mean your phone or the computer. There are several simple reasons why iPhone hotspot doesn't show up on Mac, and most of them have quick fixes. Keep watching to learn more details. Why is an iPhone hotspot not showing up on Mac? Here are common factors. Long distance between your iPhone and Mac. Cellular network has no internet, is configured wrongly or doesn't support sharing internet. You ignore the name of the personal hotspot. Interference from other network settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. The system glitch on your iPhone or Mac. Outdated carrier settings or operating system. Other potential hardware problems. Now, follow me to walk through how to fix an iPhone personal hotspot not showing up on Mac. They work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 18. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Step 1. Position your iPhone next to the Mac. It's ideal to keep your iPhone and the Mac computer within 3 feet of each other all the time. Also, make sure there is no obstacle like walls, other devices, etc. in the middle so as to maintain a stable connection. After checking, disable Personal Hotspot, then enable it again while turning off and on Wi-Fi in your Mac. Search from the Wi-Fi networks list and the hotspot name should appear there for connecting. Step 2. Check cellular network and enable allow others to join. After ensuring that the hotspot is on and the phone is in range of your Mac, the next thing to do is check the cellular connection. This is a vital step especially when you've changed the mobile phone provider recently. First of all, check if cellular data is on the internet by visiting a web page through Safari. Secondly, check the user manual or contact the ISP directly to confirm if the carrier allows personal hotspot. When all is done and good, enable allow others to join by following these steps. Go to Settings. Tap on Personal Hotspot. Find the Allow Others to Join toggle. If it's in gray off status, it's the reason why iPhone Personal Hotspot is not showing up on Mac. Just tap it to turn it to the green on status. It's also a good move to enable the Maximize Compatibility feature there. Now, keep your iPhone on this screen without letting it sleep. Because some users from forums say that doing this helps build a strong connection basis for iPhone's personal hotspot showing up on Mac's Wi-Fi list at the same time, go back to the computer and your iPhone's personal hotspot should be available on your Mac to connect. Step 3. Confirm the personal hotspot isn't connected by other devices. Several carriers have set a limit on the number of the devices joining into a hotspot at once. Too many devices connected simultaneously will result in iPhone hotspot not showing up on Mac. To exclude this cause, open Settings. Find and hit Personal Hotspot. If you see a list of devices showing up under the Allow Others to Join, it means that all these devices are connecting to the hotspot network. Just find them one by one to disconnect. After that, toggle off Personal Hotspot first on your iPhone, then turn it back on. Then, head to the Mac and check if the iPhone's Personal Hotspot shows as an option in the Wi-Fi interface. Step 4. Check the name of your iPhone's personal hotspot. By default, the iPhone's personal hotspot will be named iPhone. It's possible that the hotspot does show up on your Mac but it has the same name with other networks so that you can't find it. Finally, you mistakenly conclude that the Mac can't detect iPhone hotspot. If you have no idea what the name of your device's personal hotspot is, go to the Settings app. Choose the Personal Hotspot option. With Allow Others to Join enabled, you will see a few prompted sentences below. In the first sentence, connect iPhone personal hotspot using Wi-Fi. The name it asks you to choose is exactly the name of the hotspot. If it's named iPhone and you want to change it to a more easily recognizable one, tap the Return button. Choose General, select About, select Name, delete the old one and enter the new name. Once done, toggle off Personal Hotspot, then switch it back on. Take a look if your iPhone's personal hotspot pops up with a newly changed name as a potential source of internet on the Mac's Wi-Fi screen. Step 5. Open airplane mode, then turn it off. Open the control center. Tap the airplane icon to turn on airplane mode, where it should be in orange. After around 30 seconds, tap the icon again to switch it off. The internet connection has been refreshed now. Open the Personal Hotspot again to see if it shows up on the Mac's Wi-Fi list. If your iPhone hotspot is still not being detected by Mac, move to the next solution. Step 6. Disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then switch them back on. This trick comes from the forum and has been tried and tested to solve the hotspot issues. Here's what you need to do. Head to the Settings app. Tap WLAN and turn off the WLAN toggle. Return back to the previous page. Tap Bluetooth and disable the Bluetooth toggle. Return back again, then choose Personal Hotspot. Toggle off Allow others to join if it's enabled and wait for a few seconds. After that, tap to toggle on Allow others to join and a pop-up will show up. Just choose Turn on WLAN and Bluetooth. Now, go to your Mac's Wi-Fi screen and you can expect the hotspot to appear in the list of available networks to select it. Step 7. Disconnect then reconnect cellular network. Head to the Settings app. Hit Cellular. Move the toggle of cellular data to the off location. After a few seconds, tap it again to turn it back on. This helps reconnect your phone to the cellular internet so as to refresh the mobile data sharing process. If everything goes well, your Mac should be able to detect and access Personal Hotspot on iPhone. Step 8. Reboot your iPhone and Mac. When you find an iPhone hotspot is not visible on Mac, doing a restart helps fix temporary glitches. To restart an iPhone, press the side button on iPhone 8 or older, or press either volume button and side button on iPhone 10 or newer. A power off slider will appear. Drag it to the right to shut down the device. After a few seconds, long press the side button until the Apple logo pops up and the device boots up. To restart a Mac, click the Apple menu from the top left corner and select Restart. The computer will shut down and then reboot by itself. After rebooting, turn on Personal Hotspot on iPhone and enable Wi-Fi on Mac. Your Mac now should be able to get the shared hotspot option from your iPhone. Step 9. Update carrier settings on an iPhone. Head to the Settings app. Tap on General. Choose About. If an update on the carrier settings is available, it'll prompt you to update. If nothing occurs and only some information is displayed on the screen, then it means the current carrier settings are up to date. Go on to attempt the next solution to fix iPhone hotspot not coming up on Mac. Step 10. Update both iPhone and Mac. To update an iPhone, go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Choose Software Update. If it shows you the information of the latest iOS along with a download and install button, just hit it and follow the on-screen instructions to upgrade the iOS. To update a Mac, click the Apple menu from the top left corner of the screen. Choose System Settings. In the opening window, hit General from the left sidebar. In the right panel, select Software Update. Then, your Mac will start searching for an update release. If it offers a new macOS update, click the Update or Upgrade button to download and install the firmware into your Mac. Now, if the outdated OS is the problem, you should manage to make an iPhone hotspot show up on a Mac's Wi-Fi drop-down menu. Step 11. Reset iPhone network settings preferences. Go to the Settings app. Tap to choose General. Scroll down and tap to select Transfer or Reset iPhone. In the next page, choose Reset from the button. From the opening menu, select Reset Network Settings and fulfill the following steps. Once done, reopen the cellular data if it's off and enable Personal Hotspot on iPhone. Now, click the Wi-Fi icon on Mac and iPhone's name should automatically appear there above the line. Step 12. Request help from the official support. If you can't see an iPhone hotspot on Mac, consider trying the USB or Bluetooth method to use the internet. If none of the above works, then contact the official support for further assistance. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix iPhone hotspot not showing up on Mac. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video is helpful for you. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.